In a vibrant rainforest full of lush greenery, colorful parrots flutter from tree to tree. Their feathers shimmer like a rainbow against the backdrop of emerald leaves, bringing a burst of color to the dense forest. These parrots chat merrily, their beaks clicking and clacking as they nibble on tropical fruits and playfully chase one another around the branches. Deeper into the picture, we see different kinds of parrots, some with emerald green feathers, others with bright yellow and red, all living harmoniously in their vivid habitat. The magical scene is completed with a brilliant blue sky peeking through the canopy and a sparkling waterfall cascading in the background. Transition to the rugged majesty of the mountains, where a pair of eagles soar high above the rocky cliffs. Their sharp eyes scan the landscape below, and their powerful wings cut through the crisp mountain air. The eagle's feathers are a mix of deep browns and brilliant whites, contrasting sharply with the azure sky and snowy peaks. The image captures the grandeur of these majestic birds as they ride the updrafts, seemingly suspended between earth and heaven. The focus then shifts to a playful and chilly scene of penguins waddling across the silky white snow. These black and white birds, with their tuxedo-like appearance, dive into the icy blue waters, swim gracefully beneath the surface, and emerge with a flourish, shaking off droplets of water. Their habitat is a pristine snowy expanse, with icebergs glistening under a soft winter sun. The penguins huddle together, caring for their fluffy chicks, showcasing a heartwarming picture of family and survival in the coldest place on Earth. The final scene brings us to a serene meadow, brimming with life. Songbirds of various colors, bluebirds, robins, and canaries, sing melodiously as they flit from flower to flower. The lush green grass, dotted with vibrant wildflowers, stretches out under a clear, sunny sky.